gotta check this out. 5.7 stroker, 392.
Oh, that's what I want to do with mine.
Wow.
I like it.
670 horse at the back.
670 horse?
13 pounds of boost.
At 13 pounds of boost.
And the motor's good for 20.
Is that on the dyno horsepower?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. That's impressive.
At the track, 1088, 132.
That's not bad.
Oh, yeah.
It's a stick.
Yeah, it's a stick.
This wasn't automatic, it'd be a lot faster.
Yeah.
But that's a lot of speed, too, in a quarter.
Amazing. Wow. 200 passes.
At least 200, yeah.
At least 200.
At least 200. So it's a base 5.7 block. I took the original motor out.
Yeah.
I bought another 5.7.
You bought another 5.7.
Just the block.
Yeah. How much was that?
$300 from the wreckers.
Oh, yeah. It's the block. Yeah, fair.
Yeah.
They're a dime a dozen. And then I had a belt, so it's a shoulder kit
Yeah.
from MMX.
Oh,
Yeah.
nice.
So it's a 392 with
Wow.
Monar crank rods and pistons are 2618, 9.5.
Okay.
Forge
That's
for boost, right?
Yeah.
No compression for boost.
Yeah.
Ported heads,
Wow.
headers,
Everything.
custom gram cam,
Yeah.
6-speed manual. It's got a
Wow. Did you do any rear end work?
McLeod dual disc clutch.
Yeah.
SS drive shaft, one piece.
Okay.
Hellcat half shafts.
Jeez. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, what year is this thing?
2009.
It's a 2009?
I bought it brand new and all.
So, it's an original 2009 when they first came out, eh?
I still have the original motor at home.
Yeah.
Right?
Amazing.
And I run a drag setup, 17-inch.
Where'd you pick these up? Like, did you order them up, or
I
is there?
ordered it from the States.
Yeah.
And then a Mickey Thompson 305.
Those are an amazing
and a
setup.
skinny at the front.
Yeah. Oh, right.
Right? So you want to run lightweight as much as you can, right?
Yeah. The exhaust. What do you got?
MBRP 3-inch.
MBRP 3-inch, right?
3-inch, yeah.
You don't see these with MBRP.
And I'm running
Right?
cats.
No.
And I'm running cats.
And we were running cats
Yeah, I'm
because
running cats.
you love the environment, right?
That's right.
Exactly.
Well, you know what? With catless, you don't really gain much.
Yeah.
No.
You get more sound.
Yes.
That's it.
Yeah.
You don't really gain much. And this was built by Harrington Hemi in Detroit.
So did you send the car there? Did you go
shipped
there?
the car there.
You shipped the car there?
Yeah, over the winter.
Yeah.
And they built it for me, and then they shipped it.
Did you use like a truck or a train?
Transportation.
Transportation?
Send it in December, and I got the car back first week in April.
First week in April?
Yeah.
Okay, that's not bad.
That was 3 years ago.
Why not? Because it's either in storage or it's being built.
Yeah.
That's not a bad prospect.
So the body itself
Yeah.
has 79,000 kilometers.
Yeah.
And the motor has about 10,000 and probably about 200 passes at the track.
200 passes?
At least 200.
200 passes?
At least 200. I'll show you some videos.
All right. Wow.
So, carbon fiber steering wheel,
Wow.
garden shifter.
Yeah.
Wanted to get one.
See the little red button there?
Yeah.
That's my line lock.
No, line lock with a button? That's what I'm talking about.
Because these didn't come with a line lock.
Yeah. They're so good.
Line locks didn't come until 2019 or so.
Yeah.
So this is hooked up to a line lock.
Yeah.
So I usually put it in second gear, put the line lock on, and I do my burnout.
Right.
I don't run these tires at the track. I have a different racing tires.
Of course,
I'm
yeah.
running slicks because it's a manual.
Yeah.
And then I hear.
Oh, your
I have-
gauges.
Oh, that's awesome. I
I
like
have
that.
air fuel
Yeah.
and boost gauge.
Oh, that's a perfect spot for that, too.
And this is my Diablo here.
Oh, you got your Diablo. That's the Trinity?
Trinity 1000.
Yeah.
And my tunes in there. I got 3 separate tunes.
Nice.
I have a 94 tune. Well,
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
94 tune.
Yeah.
I have an MS 109 tune for the track.
Yeah.
And I have a C16 tune. With the Trinity, you can monitor everything.
Yeah.
Right? So I got 6 or 7 different pages of it. I can monitor the oil pressure, temperature.
That's the same
This
thing.
car was tuned by AJ Berge. You know AJ Berge?
Yeah, I heard of him. Yeah.
That's who tuned this car.
Oh yeah.
Hemituner.
Hemituner. Yeah. Okay. Perfect.
He remotely tuned this car.
Okay.
Really? Can we hear it?
Yeah,
That'd be great.
It's
It's
very,
good to
it's
start.
very mild.
Not bad. Does it have a whine to it? Like a supercharger whine? Yeah?
Yeah, so on the so this is most guys that are running stock are running 3.5, 3.6 pulleys.
Yeah.
This is a 2.7 pulley
2.7, okay.
with a dampener on the bottom,
Yeah.
18% overdrive.
18, okay, cool.
So you spit it fast,
Yeah.
more boost.
Anyway,
Else, dude, that paint is perfect.
that all right?
So when I go drag racing, I take the whole interior out, I take
Yeah.
both seats out, the back seat out,
Yeah.
and I have a little racing seat that I put on.
Okay.
It take weight out of the car.
Yeah. Amazing. I love it. I'd rather have this than a Hellcat.
Oh, yeah.
Can you make up my license plate?
Just a 5.7.
That's right.
Yeah.
And I've beat many Hellcats.
Oh, I bet.
I'm sure you have.
I bet. No,
If they're
100%.
on a 20-inch wheel,
Yeah.
they're beat.
Yeah.
They're on a drag track like I am,
Yeah.
I'm beat.
Yeah. No, it's a big difference. Cool.
Look what happens when you blow a bell.
Oh, it hit the roof, eh?
Yeah, when you blow a bell, boom.
Damn. Well, we gotta go the other way. Left away. Now we're going live. Oh, 100%.
This is a complete bill from the front to the back.
Yeah.
So the heads are ported, cam.
Yeah.
The only DNA from the Hellcat I have on this motor are the lifters.
Oh, the lifters?
Yeah.
But
That's it.
there's a reason why, right? Yeah. For sure.
Like it's high revving, right?
Yeah.
So this will rev out almost 7,000.
How much, if you, like, since 2009,
Yeah.
how much have you spent in total?
This build here?
Yeah, this build right here, yeah.
Probably about 55?
55,000 plus the thing? Yeah. But you're done with it, yeah.
55, yeah.
Yeah, 10-second vehicle, right? So,
High 10s.
I-10s, yeah. That's not bad at all.
Yeah.
Oh,
In third gear, she'll pull to 160 in third gear.
I doubt it. You're gonna have to show me that. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I really believe you. Oh, for sure.
You think we were
It's a sleeper.
Oh, I know. I love sleepers though. Sleepers is where it's at.
I was coming northbound on the 400 not last year, the year before last.
Yeah.
And the Hellcat pulled up behind me.
Oh.
And then he pulled up beside me.
Yeah.
And then we had to go on the 400 northbound.
Yeah.
And we both got on the 407.
Yeah.
And he was a little shocked that I beat him.
Yep.
in the car?
He probably hurt his feelings.